To get started, go to a class where you want to set up GradeSync. In the left-hand column, find and click on Grade Setup. Click on the Add button next to Categories and create a category that matches one of your categories in your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook. You'd repeat the steps above for any other categories you wish to create. You must have a category in your Schoology class for each PowerTeacher Pro gradebook category you want to sync grades to. You can have Schoology categories that do not sync to PowerTeacher Pro gradebook. Multiple Schoology categories can sync to one PowerTeacher Pro category. Next, in the left-hand navigation area for the class, click on the PowerSchool link. If this is your first time clicking on the PowerSchool link, you might need to click Approve when asked for PowerSchool authorization. This only needs to be done once per user. If you receive the error, you can reload the application. Simply click the PowerSchool link again. Make sure to click on Configuration at the top. Coming down the list, you want to check the box that says Automatically Shorten Assignment Titles. Now, in the left-hand column, you're going to choose the Schoology course categories that match your PowerSchool categories. Once you're done, click the Save button when you're finished mapping your categories. If you need to change category mappings or add new category mappings at a later time, you can click on the PowerSchool link and then the Configuration button. You'll repeat these steps for each Schoology class where you want to sync grades. Category setup and linking must be done in each of your Schoology classes. In order to sync grades, go to a class where you want to sync grades. In the left-hand navigation area for the class, click on the PowerSchool link. You can view the date and time for the last successful sync and status for each assignment. Assignments that have not been synced will have a blank last successful sync and will say not yet synced for the status. To sync all grades changes for this class, click the Sync Changes button. This will start a sync for all assignments that have been changed, either new assignments, grades changed, or new grades added for existing assignments, etc., since the last sync. You can see the status for each assignment as it goes. Navigating away from this page and working in this class or another class will not affect the sync. You can always come back to this page later to see updated status. To sync grade changes for just one particular assignment in the class, click the Sync button next to the assignment. This will start a sync for just the one assignment. Navigating away from this page and working in this class or another class will not affect the sync. You can always come back to this page later to see the updated status. If there's been a sync error, a red message icon will appear. Hovering over that icon displays a message that details the error. So, what information transfers from Schoology to PowerSchool? The name of the graded item, the max number of points for the graded item, the due date for the graded item, the grading category mapped by the teacher in the configuration area of the app, the raw score a student received on the graded item, whether the grade item has a status of published or unpublished. Gradebook comments also transfer. The following information does not transfer from Schoology to PowerSchool. Submission flags, whether excused, incomplete, or missing, or standards-based grades, rubric scores, letter grades, the letter grade for the grade scale in PowerSchool will be applied, and percentage-based grades. Use 100 for total points instead. Hopefully this helps walk you through the process for syncing grades from Schoology to PowerSchool.